Here's how I made my version of the Dolce and Gabbana and Carolina Herrera inspired dress. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I started off with a beautiful linen gauze fabric and my Rose Cafe Bustier dress pattern. There is a tutorial on YouTube for this, so if you want to learn how to make this top, you could simply follow along to that tutorial. I added interfacing to my cups to add a bit more structure to the dress. I then cut 2 rectangles for the tiered pieces of the dress. I then went ahead and sewed and gathered those pieces. Once that was done, I was going to add the gathered skirt part to the bustier top. To make things easy on myself, I decided to attach the 2 tiers first and then attach the bottom skirt part to the bustier. When attaching the 2 tiers, I first attach the ends of each side and then I find the center, pin those, and then even out the gathers. Pin your gathered pieces together and then you can sew them down. This is what the skirt sewn to the bustier looks like. Because the fabric was pretty lightweight and see-through, I decided to line the dress with some gauze fabric. And here I am showing how I attach the lining to the actual dress. My lining was not yet gathered, so I attached the ends of the lining to the dress, went ahead and gathered, and then pinned the evened out gathers to the dress. This was what it looked like after I evened out. I went ahead and pinned and sewed that down. I then went ahead and cleaned up everything by serging the rest of the dress, and I finished the dress off with an invisible zipper. But what about the straps? So I took a poll on Instagram, and A and C were the popular choices, and so I decided to use both of those concepts for my final straps. And this is the final look of the dress. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite color for this dress would be. More pictures on my blog. I will see you in the next video.